In this section, we will take a look at what makes a number complex. To begin that conversation, we must first define the imaginary unit. So the imaginary unit is I, and I is the number that if we square it yields -1. So what I want you to be careful of is I is not -1. I squared is -1. So we can almost think of I equaling the square root of -1. So what's a complex number? A complex number is any number that can be written as a plus bi. So if we have the number a plus bi, we call a the real part and b the imaginary part. So for example, if we had the number 2 plus 3i, that is complex. The real part is 2, the imaginary part is 3. 8 is also a complex number because we could think of that as 8 plus 0i. 8 is the real part, 0 is the imaginary part. 9i is also complex. Its real part is 0. We could think of that as 0 plus 9i. So every number that you've encountered up to this point can be thought of as a complex number. If we have a number written in a plus bi form, we call that standard form. So let's take a look at a group of complex numbers and let's list which ones are in standard form. So 2 minus 3i is that in standard form? Yes. 13 thirds minus 5 thirds I. That likewise is in standard form. Remember, standard form is a plus bi. Notice 9 plus 7i all over 8. That's complex, but it's not in standard form. 3 minus the square root of 2 over 8. That's in standard form. 3 thirteenths plus 5 twelfths. Standard form. 9 minus 2 root 3i all over 7. Complex, but not in standard form.